Good afternoon, fellas. What up, boys? How you doing? How you doing? I'm gonna slowly start getting this giveaway set up. By the way, these are the same shorts that Swami alerted earlier. I'm not gatekeeping. And I know a couple people DM'd me as well. As well. Arrow, arrow. The goat. Egg tart, my goat. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, that is the Twitter end of things. See how the market's looking. Such a just boofy day, bro. Yeah, Guru is taking a little break. He's good. No, he's good. He's good. I actually should reach out to him just 'cause. Okay, who DM'd me? So, okay, bullish value. I do for sure remember I need to add you. Because you sent me like right at the end of yesterday's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this guy. Pylorus. Okay, sweet. Pylorus. That's 4. And then, is there anyone else? Did Investor do it? No. I got FD in there. Sweet. Yeah, that's everyone. That is everyone, mate. Cool. Let me, just for my OCD, because I'm gonna freak out if not. Okay, copy. We got 40 entries today, boys. 40 whole entries. All right. Vincent, go ahead, dude. Go to the Twitter. Excuse me. Like, retweet, and comment it, and then just let me know what your username is on there. And I got you, bro. I got you. Well, good news is we made back most of our loss from yesterday, so that's pretty good. We're getting pretty close to passing this second account, and then I will expand further and get some more. Probably just by the next 3 at the first payout. It's probably that's my plan, really. I feel like there was more stuff I had to do today. I do actually have a ton more to do today. Hell yeah! What's your Discord name? Send it in here and I'll add it in for you. Alrighty, alrighty. That helps a lot. That cleared my brain. I feel like I did all the stuff I needed to do. Oh, oops, I do need I need to sign this too. I'm just gonna hire a property manager to rent my house for me so I don't even have to think about it. I feel like that'd be really, really nice. Super Dolph fan. I got you, baby. I got you. I got you. Watch here. I'm adding it in. Bang. Oh, what'd you say? What you say? Also, do you think we're going lower? I do think we're going lower still. Yup. What up, baby? What up, baby? What up, baby? I think that we probably see this low either overnight, possibly before close, or blah 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 blah. You know what I'm saying? Oh my good God. Yeah, Elf is fucking kicking. Oh my God, we're cooking today, bro. It's over 70. Oh my God, oh my God, bro. I'm about to just start yanking it on stream, bro. Up 140% on the calls. Can I get a W in the chat real quick? We also still have 6 full entire months and 6.5 months until these expire. So feeling pretty good about those. Feeling pretty good about those, gangsta. See, shares wise, I think we're up 30%. 30%, baby. God, that's so sexy. That's so sexy, mate. Nah, not for longs on indexes. I think we sweep this low. That low is also daily Vib. Dude, there's just no telling. We're kind of just megaphoning if you look at it like this. We're basically just megaphoning. So I would not take any sort of swings on indexes. They're kind of looking a little boofy. So I would take a severe chill pill and just let things cook for a bit, see what happens and which direction it decides to kind of break out towards. Thanks, Staffo. Thanks, Pixie. Thanks, Goodbye. What up, babies? I love y'all. I love y'all. But we are up almost 200 points on this, Joe. This is Swami's trade. I was looking at the exact same trade up here, but this is Swami's trade. I'm not going to take credit for it. But you know, my fucking account will. um, you guys can't hear the music, right? Because, dude, I keep getting fucked on copyright. Speaking of that, I actually had a YouTube video I was trying to post. Oh my goodness, bro. Doing so much at once right now. Bang. Let's see. Check out our new YouTube video. Check out our new YouTube video. Bro, I do want to get this fucking YouTube pumping though, bro. I feel like we have some stuff going on here that could be real good for business. So, yeah. Yeah, we're almost at 200 subscribers, so if you aren't already subscribed on this channel, just do it. It helps a ton. We, yeah, dude, it helps so fucking much. Tell me about exit liquidity levels. Well, I guess what do you mean? So it's just the same as any liquidity. It just, it just is your opposing exit. So for me, this right here is the exact exit of where I wouldn't really necessarily care to wait until this liquidity, which is where a lot of people would look at this kind of chunk of range. You know what? Fuck it. I'm recording this and I'm making content, bitch. I'm recording this and I'm making content, bitch. All right. So we're talking about exit liquidity. So a lot of people get misconstrued on why certain liquidities are so much more important, especially for exits and entries. Because again, we'll go over this example. This whole chunk of price, there's a high and a low of this price, right? So we have the low marked out. And the high is marked out up here as well. So the high gets obviously swept through and the low gets respected and left behind, right? But to me, hold on, let me move this over one. So to me, this is the low that I care about. This is the low that I care about. Mainly, and you'll see why, is because when you see impulsive ass moves like this, like what's that price range? It's probably like a whole percent. almost 2%, at 1.8%. So that is an explosive ass price range. I'm guessing this is open. This is market open. Yeah, pretty much. It's market open. So when you see explosive moves like that, obviously what is liquidity? It's orders left behind, it's orders sitting there. So in my opinion, everyone that was trying to short it open or also join the train for longs at open, they got left behind, and that's what these wicks are essentially. And so for me, I use that as my magnet and focus on that as my liquidity that I want to see met, because when that gets hit, there's a very good chance that this gets hit, but it also could just sit and chop and range, especially with how today's printed. I have no interest in sitting and holding longer, and also the way that this price is set up on the 1 hour. If we see this low, the low that we initially marked out of that range swept, there's a very good chance we want to see it come lower and maybe come tap into this CSD or something. I don't know, but we'll see from there. It's for me, it's more about catching the move that I want to, and if you look, like I am catching a chunk of the entirety of this move, up and down. So I'm fine with, my 50% of the total move is what I caught, or 30% of the total move is what I caught. But focusing on the exit liquidity there, again, you got to look at the impulses in the market and understand that almost every time an impulse like this happens, we'll mark it out with green here or something. The fuck. Oh, it's because my opacity is 0. So anytime you see explosive moves like this, like you can expect almost the bottom or wherever that started to be revisited at some point. Uh, Almost specifically based off liquidity is left there, and liquidity is a magnet in the market. The market wants more money, so it's gonna go get its money. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? I hope that helps. I don't know if it does, but hope so. And ask me any questions, dude. I am happy to help. The market itself is not doing a whole lot right now, so I'd be happy to talk about anything else. I don't know. I'm just gonna say no. Two, yes. How do I see when my house was built? Hell yeah, Miss Pixie Dust. My little pixie queen. So, okay, I guess another example here is this liquidity from today. What is this? I guess, so this is yesterday open. This is today, right? So this is low a day. Low a day is important, don't get me wrong, and we probably will see a reaction off low a day. Um, but if you look at it in this range, like what does that low a day mean to almost anything? Pretty much nothing, to be honest, pretty much nothing. Like it stopped in a 15-minute, probably an hourly gap as well. No, I didn't even stop in an hourly gap, just 15-minute gap. This is kind of like a CSD right off rip with this pump back. Honestly, dude, I hated this pump. That was when I basically stopped paying attention to today. I was short bias, and then I was watching this for value gap up here for short entries. I didn't catch his first initial move, but Swami was posting about it, and I was like, dude, honestly, that's exactly where I would have wanted to short in this area, mainly just the FEG in general. So I guess that's a good example of how to use our alerts with your confluence is, if you have an idea of where you'd like to short that day, but you're a little like unsure about when or where, I guess, as long as it matches up with kind of your mindset and your outlook on it, I would use our alerts as you can use it as the entry, obviously, but just understand what we're looking for too, and hopefully that matches up with what you're looking for as well. But we've been kind of killing it, dude. We've been on a decent little streak last like week or two, really since the Utah trip, bro. So just hope to keep killing it. I'm gonna try to stay humble, stay slow, trust the process, not go for any home runs, and make some good shit happen, bro. Let's make some good shit happen. Also, look at the divergence today. The divergence is nuts today. So if anything, ES could slam here in this power hour. Because, yeah, I mean, dude, crazy SMT left and right today. Crazy SMT left and right today. I live here. I love it, dude. I fucking love it. If you've seen me, I'd talk about Utah all the fucking time about how great it is. I think it's awesome. I think it's the best state in the country. I've traveled a decent amount. I think it's amazing. Definitely great to visit. Also great to live. But visiting, I think that you just got to have your expectations. It doesn't have a beach. I mean, we have lakes and stuff, which are pretty fucking awesome. But, it also, the cities are not, they're not like LA. They're not like Chicago. They're not like that type of city. Salt Lake's pretty big though, so like honestly, if you want a bit of city life, Salt Lake's not terrible. But come here for the hiking, come here for the nature, dude. I'm telling you, that's what you need to come here for. If you're coming here for anything else, probably be pretty mid. But if you're coming for, skiing, snowboarding, river rafting, hiking, anything like that, dude. Money. I'm probably going to Lake Powell this weekend, actually. I just got invited and I was like, I should probably go. I should go, so I'm gonna. I haven't been to Massachusetts though. My whole family's gone to Boston a few times. They might even go out there this weekend. Probably be a crazy place to be for the 250 4th of July. But I've heard only good things, dude. I've heard only good things. Ionic Q is absolutely flooring. La 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 la. IBM still looking solid though. How's my windy girl looking? Come on, baby, just push. I feel like this thing's kind of ready to explode. I definitely don't have a ton of money in it, but I have enough that if it does a good thing, it'd be a good thing for Lil Bev over here. I do think I'll probably tighten stops up though a little bit. Honestly, that's a pretty clean entry though right here. If you're a CSD guy, the close of this candle right here, slightly below, enter there, catch the low a day, stops it that candle high. It's probably like a 1R. Oh, oops, short. Yeah, like a 1.5R. Honestly, dude, I am slowly leaning I think you should shoot for 2R, but I think 1R is completely fine. Like, I think if you're slightly positive R, I think you're going to be good in the long run. So I'm going to start testing that data and see what happens because I'm trying to let my, especially in this market, main reason all of this even comes up is in this market, especially, you know how impulsive things are. So I'm trying to figure out a way to widen my stops without really fucking with my risk too much. And I think cutting a little bit into my profits would be okay because, one thing about me is when I have a great day, I have a really, really great day. Like my wins are very good and my losses are usually a lot smaller than my wins. It's the plays that I guess the frustration's coming from the plays that I see go 100 plus points. It's just about to a trim point and then comes all the way back and either break evens or stops. So I'm trying to figure out how to kind of adjust my trading with this market. I don't expect the volatility to be a whole lot longer, but it could. It could stay the whole time Trump's in office. So, our goal is, or our job is literally to be adaptable. So we gotta figure out how to do that. I'm tightening my stops just a tiny bit more. Hey, I just signed with the property manager. Now they get 8% of all my money. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, Wendy's calls and shares. I just have January or end of July's, so nothing crazy, but just for fun, a little fun experiment. It's just like, why not throw like, I think altogether I'm at like $1,000. Like it's nothing crazy, but exactly, dude. And they keep it filled. They'll take care. They're the guys that get the call with maintenance, and it's paid off. So it's like, dude, of course, an extra 250, $300 a month would be nice, but honestly, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. Plus, it takes a lot off my plate with all this trading stuff, and we're starting to get cooking on a lot of really, really cool things with Ironheart. So, to give me some more time in the day, a little bit more mental capital, which is just as important as any other form of capital. We all know this. We all know this. 3 minute for all of this chop has actually been relatively clean, but look how disgusting that is. Look how disgusting that is. There's a lot of LRLR to be ran, so if we get stopped, I would not be surprised at all. But with that being said, I also don't see almost any possible entry for like a long or something. And I also wouldn't really want a long out of here. So if that's the case, and that's probably all it'll be for me today. Dude, yeah. Yeah, yeah. We cooked a lot. We also kind of defined our roles a little better and we were already in a very good headspace. Like we've all been doing this for the right reasons. We're all, like I'm grateful we got a really good team of dudes doing this. But yeah, bro, we've been kind of cooking since, dude. So got some fun stuff coming up. It's gonna be, I can't promise almost anything because it could be years. A lot of it's gonna cost a decent amount of money, and so that can take even longer sometimes than expected. But got some cool fucking stuff coming up for you guys for sure, for sure. And also, it was really cool to kind of reflect because I joined last summer almost identically like a year after, or a year before, I should say, that everyone came out here. And in a year, dude, like, because when I joined, I remember it was 248 members, and I'm like, that's solid, dude. That ain't bad. Because I was starting one of my own, and I think we got to like 280 or something. I remember they were slightly above what Ironheart was. And then I just saw the group of dudes and I was like, dude, I've traded with these dudes forever. But a year later, we're over 5,000. So pretty freaking sick, dude. It's pretty freaking sick. Let's see where we're at today. I know this morning we were at 5,200. So 52.22, baby. Bang. 10K next. 10K next. 10K next, baby. Exactly, dude. It has been like exponential growth, and it's so interesting to see how the growth comes because it definitely comes in waves. Like for example, we hit 5K pretty. I think we even hit it before June. So like in June we only got 200 members, but I know Christmas time we weren't even at 2,500, and so like some weeks we'll get like 500 plus members. Some weeks we get like 10, 20. So it's definitely very kind of sporadic. We just got to keep doing the marketing. I think anyone that has owned any sort of business or done anything online, that type of stuff, they understand that it's no consistency on results ends, but it's all about the consistency on the creator's end. So it's gonna be interesting, dude, for sure. But so far, so good, dude. We're doing something right. So one thing I'll say is that the results we've seen have proven that we've done something right, dude. Yep, 100%. And then they'll criticize. I mean, for example, it's marketing, dude. We this giveaway for $500,000 worth of accounts. Yeah, technically it's not 500 grand. It'd be crazy of us. It's a free server to give away 500 grand. That's actually insane. But marketing wise, that grabs so many more eyes giving away $500,000 worth of accounts, which it is true. It's 10 50K accounts. So it's 10 times 50K. It's 500K of prop accounts. But they always find a way to shit on stuff like that, and I get it. I get it. I've done the same fucking thing, dude. I've been on the other end a million times. I get it, but it's just funny. And then you're right, dude. So many people don't believe it's free, and it's like, we don't charge anything. Yeah, we ask, every now and then for a buy me a coffee, or we ask you to use code Ironheart, but all those are completely fucking optional. We are not holding a fucking gun to your head. Nothing like that, bro. We're just ripping. Just trying to make good stuff happen. I will be a-okay with like a $700 a day, $1,400 technically, but one's an eval, so 700 is fine on this one. And possibly we find something later on, before market close, but probably about it. What up, Jackie boy? What up, Jackie boy? Dude, a whole lot of nothing. A whole lot of shitting and farting, bro. I tell you what. I need to eat food. I wish I could like bring my camera with y'all downstairs with me. We could go on a scavenger hunt. See what scraps. You wouldn't know, bro. You wouldn't know. Oh, sick. Yep, June is in, baby. Let me. One, two, three, four, five. I think I got another DM too. Okay, shuffle, shuffle. No. Well, yeah, if you buy a account with code Ironheart on Lucid, Tradeify, Bulenox, Purdia, Alpha, we got a few options. But if you buy an account, you get 5 additional entries. So honestly, dude, for how little we have 46 entries today, it's pretty decent odds. If you buy an account, you get 5 of those entries. It's like a 10% chance to win another one. Kinda decent. So, anyways, we got stopped out on that. I think it's about a $700 day, and I am a-okay with that. I think TT's printing, right? He's in calls, isn't he? Bro wants high a day. Okay, then. Thing is juicing. Yep, so 696 on one, 778 on the other. It's a-okay with a guy like me. Scavenger hunt. Boom, ba-dum, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I've been fucking with the 3 hour lately, bro. Start flaming me in the comments, but bro, I feel like the 3 hour kind of cooks. Like, doesn't the 3 hour just provide such a clean look? I don't know. Don't get me wrong, 4 hours still great, but so I'm about the 3 hour, bro. I mean, you'd pair it with what, the 20 minute, 45 minute maybe? Actually, yeah, you would be the 45 minute. Be 3 hour to 45. And then from 45 to 10, I believe. And then 10 to technically 30 second, but whatever. I'm just saying that's not worth trading. This is the entirety of today's New York session. Pretty fucking bloody disgusting. Alright, I'm gonna send out an alert. Let's go. Did you do it on Twitter? If you did, send me your Discord name in here. I'll add you in. Sorry. Yeah, if you did on Twitter, just send me your Discord name in here and I'll add you in. To the spin, eh? Oak Fly. Sick dude. And thanks for hopping in the stream. I appreciate you. So we're 47 entries. I will say if it rejects this gap and creates a CSD right here, you could probably expect at the very least these highs, but most likely these highs all the way taken. So you need to see this gap respected and a CSD closed above. But in my opinion, that would justify some lotto calls, and I may actually load those up on the Joe itself. See on SPX. Let's see. Calls, I'd be looking at the 7505s probably, maybe the 7510s. Yeah, 7510s would definitely work. But again, well, I guess this would be NDX. Hold on. Goofy bet. Goofy. It's still dumb expensive, but damn, you could go all the way to 30. Okay. Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna try one. Okay, 4.1 is my fill. And now we see if we're right or we're wrong. Okay, y'all watch my trade for me. I'm gonna go start thawing some pork or some shit. Maybe chicken, maybe onions, maybe bunions. I don't know. I don't even know what I have in my fridge. This place is like a ghost town now, bro. Oh yeah, I got coconut water this morning. Haven't even drank it. Let's see. Got some chicken. Oh, salmon, baby. Oh, okay. Fuck it, I'm eating salmon today, boy. Do I have couscous still? Oh, fuck yeah, I do. Alright, okay, that's easy. Bang! La-da-dee, la-dee-do, la-dee-dee-do, la-dee-do. Sometimes you just gotta say fuck it and make some couscous, salmon, and fucking veggies, baby. And drink a coconut water for your health. Okay, are we green? Oh, we sure as fuck are. 10%. Okay, I got 3 minutes till the giveaway. My neighbors. The one on the IHC Twitter. I put you in your shoes, didn't I? I feel like I actually didn't get shoes today. That is a fucking question. I'm just gonna add you, just cause. If you win, you owe it to someone else. Something like that. Damn, negative 40%. NDX is not for the faint of heart, by the way. If you didn't already know that. I did also just break my rule. I said I'd wait for CSD above. But you know what? We're already in, bro. Happens. Thanks, Oak. It is. No, there could be a ton of juice left in Power Hour shoes. A day like today could be the impulse type of move, which the way that we close today could be very, very, very important. So we'll see. Actually, that 5 minute makes it look a lot better. Definitely would still need a CSD up here though. But then we'll probably be like fucking plus 100%. Because 30K is up here. Back green. I'm gonna sell. I'm just gonna set a limit for 10 on one of these. So $1,000. I think my shit is glitched. What's going on here? Okay, it's back now. We just need a decent little impulse and we should be pretty steady green. Sweet. I'll make sure I add you in there, brother. Come on, Windy. Pulls through for the boy. Also, NQ. Give me the juice. We're up 12%. So, I mean, honestly, dude, if you're not loving the price movement, you could get out, make a little cheddar. I think it's like $50 a con or something. It's 20%. just do a quick little run through of everything I'm in real quick. Elf good. This was dipping hard, kind of bounced, which is nice. IBM, eh. What else am I in? Microsoft soon. I will be in Microsoft soon. I caught a decent chunk today, but I think we want to maybe retest it one more time, like this CSD. So we'll see if we do. That'd be nice. Well, there's that 3 minute CSD I was waiting for, so this should be good to go here soon. Nice, decent movement. %, 25%. I might even just try to get a sell off at 6.5. There's an impulse should grab that and just get us out of like half the position. Nope. Probably fried. Negative 20%. These are actually kind of holding still, which is surprising. Normally, oh, never mind. Never mind. Right as I said it, they're negative 40%. I might just take the loss. Oh, sweet. Oh, fuck. Thank God I checked those, though. See, bro, I'm adding you in right now. Elliptic Nova. Sick. Let's get this added in. One, two, three, four, five, and then someone else DM me as well. Husky. Oh, fuck. Um, Fuck. I'm glad, really glad I checked all these. One. Oh, fuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Mr. Patty Boy. And a Hisky. For Godzilla. Okay. Wait, 1, 2. Okay. All right. I think that is everyone. No more message requests. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. All right. All right. Let me record this. We are recording, and here is today's giveaway winner, Mother Trucker, baby. Who we got? Who we got? Dr. Cotto? Okay, 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 okay. Let's go. Let's go. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Okay, I will stop recording. www. Let's say, boom. Bang. Bang. Okay, let me DM our friend El. Yo, congrats, bro. You won. Here's your free 50K Lucid Eva. Oh shit, are we juicing right now? Oh, okay, baby. I went out at 6.5. I got alert. I got alert. Oh my god. We're at 10. Okay, wait, hold up. I gotta send this before I fucking forget. Oh my god, 170% though. Oh, oh. Coupon management. Bada ba dibby dibby ding. Okay, god, I got alert. I got alert. I got alert. I got alert. Oh my god, get me out of 10. Holy shit, fellas. But ooh, oh, 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 oh. Into that drove. Pink skies twisted up with the blues. Ooh. Isn't it crazy that Elf's worth more than Solana now, bro? Come on. Come on, man. Ooh. I'm getting cooked in the chat. Why am I getting cooked in chat? Okay. Well, I guess he's level 0, so I just found that out. Wait, recording. Okay, wait. I pressed spin. I forgot to press record, but okay. It's Arrow. We all know and love Arrow. We all know and love Arrow. Okay, I'm actually. Oh my god, this is so fucked up. I'm just gonna delete those messages. That's so fucked up. That's whatever. Okay, but you know what, dude? I agree. I agree. They should be fucking at least level 5. All right, done recording now. God damn it, bro. Oh my god, we're just gonna act like that didn't happen. Big skies twisted up with a blue. Oh, nigga falling in love. I do agree, though. I do agree. God. Oh my god, bro. Okay, sorry. Thoughts on Zcash? Like the crypto coin? Cheeks, bro, cheeks. Don't use it. Don't use it. I just think all crypto is honestly a motherfucking scam. I'm a big believer that crypto is not a great place to put your money for the future. I think there could be a use case for it down the line. I just don't think as an investment it's a good idea. Because at the end of the day, it's supposed to be currency. It's not like you buy US dollars, you earn them, right? You know what I mean? So I don't know. I'm an economics major, and so to me, fucking Bitcoin and crypto, they are set up essentially as a Ponzi scheme, and so it's like blah 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 blah. You know what I mean? So, dude, good. No, I seriously, I've been in a ton of them before I joined this one, and it's actually crazy. Like, I literally feel like we have the best results that I've seen in a Discord, and we're completely free. So that's another reason that I love being able to do what we do, dude. We do it all for free, and I can feel good about it because especially like the dads and the people more in need of a couple extra bucks, dude. It's huge. It's huge. In my onion, in my humble onion. Wait, I think I just who was yesterday's winner? It was so he used it. Who's day one's winner? Alpin? Do I just have an extra one? I have 8. I might have an extra account for us to give away, fellas. Maybe, possibly. We'll see. We'll do it at the end. At the end of this 10-day thing. But I think I might have had 11 accounts. Yeah, bro, I got you. I got you. Sick. Um, do we get a little degen, baby? Do we get a little degen, dude? feel like you could possibly grab some longs out of here, but I don't think it's worth throwing any dollars at, dude. Wendy's doing the thing, dude. Alrighty, fellas. I might get the fuck out of here. Go and enjoy my day. Yam sham. Go make some salmon, some veggies, some couscous. Put a little coconut aminos on top. You know I'm saying, baby. You know I'm saying. All right, fellas. Much love though. I'll see y'all.